Welcome to Mitson.com, your hub for Udemy discount coupons up to 100%. Need top freelancers for your business? Mitson has got you covered. Also, connect with expert instructors for enriching online classes. Start learning and growing today with Mitson.com. Do like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, it's Mizzen Learning here and welcome to this video review of the Docker and Kubernetes, the practical guide course on Udemy. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with the course and what you can expect from it. Course objectives. The course is designed to provide a comprehensive and practical guide to Docker and Kubernetes, two of the most popular containerization and orchestration tools in the IT world today. It aims to help students develop a strong understanding of these technologies and how to use them effectively in real-world scenarios. Targeted audience. This course is targeted towards anyone interested in learning about containerization and orchestration, especially developers, system administrators, and DevOps professionals. It is suitable for both beginners and those with some prior experience with Docker and Kubernetes. Course content. The course is divided into several modules, each covering a different aspect of Docker and Kubernetes. Here's a brief overview of the topics covered. Module 1. Introduction to Containerization. This module provides an introduction to containerization technology, including its benefits and use cases. It covers the basics of Docker, including its architecture and how to install and use it. Module 2. Docker Fundamentals. This module focuses on the fundamentals of Docker, including container creation, management, and deployment. Students will learn how to build and run Docker containers, manage images, and deploy containers to a server. Module 3. Kubernetes Fundamentals. This module introduces Kubernetes, the leading container orchestration platform. Students will learn about Kubernetes architecture, components, and how to deploy and manage applications on a Kubernetes cluster. Module 4. Advanced Docker and Kubernetes topics. The final module covers advanced topics in Docker and Kubernetes, including networking, security, and monitoring. Students will learn how to secure Docker containers, set up networking between containers, and monitor containerized applications. Overall impressions. The course is well structured and easy to follow, with clear explanations and practical examples. The instructor is knowledgeable and provides helpful guidance throughout the course. The hands-on exercises and projects allow students to apply their knowledge and build confidence in using Docker and Kubernetes. Conclusion. In conclusion, Docker and Kubernetes, the practical guide, is an excellent course for anyone looking to gain a strong understanding of containerization and orchestration technologies. It provides a comprehensive and practical guide to Docker and Kubernetes, covering everything from the basics to advanced topics. Whether you're a developer, system administrator, or DevOps professional, this course will equip you with the skills you need to work effectively with these tools. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of containers and orchestration, I highly recommend this course. Remember, learning new skills can open up exciting opportunities in your career, so take the leap and start your journey today. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video review was helpful. If you're interested in learning more about this course or other courses on Udemy, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.
Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more information. See you in the next video.